Convicted murderers lock them away with puppies. I can engineer a lifelike robo puppy, fill a room with my puppies, put a gangbanger in there. My puppies will pounce, licking, nuzzling, targeting, ticklish spots. They can't kill my puppies. My puppies are indestructible. Imagine a gangbanger. At sentencing today, the judge says, we're putting you in a cell with more gangbangers. But what if the judge could say, put him in the puppy room? At first, a gangbanger might say, no, please, no, no. Not the puppy room. But over time, trapped with unlikable, furry cuteness, their gang-banging ways will be overpowered by love. I have a dream of invincible robo puppies. Lend me your support, and together we will lift humanity out of the darkness with puppies.